Aloo, prijatelji! Today we will make a really simple dish. It's called Kupus and fažol. Translated, it means sauerkraut and beans. It's a really straightforward recipe. So let's start.
First things first, beans. So of course I'm gonna cook mine, but you can use also canned beans, doesn't matter, it's the same. Now we're gonna peel an onion and cut it into nice cubes. I'm gonna use some magic, so nice. And into a bowl it goes. Next we're gonna chop 2 tomatoes and put them in a bowl as well. This one is optional, you don't have to add it, but I like mine with sausages, so I'm gonna add them. Magic hands, and it's cut. If you know my channel, you know what's coming next. The garlic. So we take our garlic, smack it. You can see the peel just going off by itself. And finally mince it. And into the bowl as well. Alright, so we can start now with the cooking. So we take a pan, put some oil in, and just add our stuff. I'm also adding some salt to get the juices out of the tomato. And now we only have to stir. When the tomatoes and the onions are done, we're gonna add our sauerkraut and our beans. And also we're gonna add some pepper. And with some pepper, I mean a lot of pepper. I mean really a lot. Because this dish only tastes good with pepper. And if you don't like pepper, just substitute it with a spice you like. So friends, I really hope you like my recipe so far, but if you have some wishes, please write them down in the comment section. Like I said, this recipe is really straightforward, so as soon as the sauerkraut and beans are boiling, actually it's done. We take it out in a bowl, and I'm gonna add some parsley for my shish tavuk recipe. If you haven't seen it, please check it out.
Guess what? That's it. Usually you have to wait one night for the best taste, but this smells way too amazing to wait one night. So if you like this recipe, please give it a like. And if you subscribe me now, you will get notified when I upload new stuff. So see ya. Bye!